a completely open space, like arms open, heart open. This is a place where you can be yourself, you can laugh, cry, talk openly, and there is no judgment. You cannot connect to anybody else unless you first connect to you, and that's always a work in progress. That's why our first exercise will be about writing to ourselves. What are the things about you before becoming a mum that you would like your children to know? Just try and remember who you were before mummy and what lit you up, what spoke to your soul, what were the things you did. They could be so minor as well. I want you to think about, why is this photo so special to you? Is it the way they're looking at you? Is it the moment that you had with them? And then when you're ready, take your time and you start writing.